Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone and you want to change your Amazon app password, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you can easily change your Amazon account password without any stress, whether on Android phone or iPhone. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Amazon app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the icon right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on accounts. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on login and security. Continue with your mobile number or your email address. An OTP is going to be sent to your mobile number or email address. In some cases, if an OTP was not delivered to your mobile address, you can switch to send code to WhatsApp number of the same phone number. And a code has been sent. I will just copy the code and enter it right here and hit on verify. Please enter your password to continue. What you want to do right here is simply click on forgot password. Then enter your mobile number or email address for assistance. So go ahead and enter the mobile number you used to create an Amazon account. Then click on continue. Then go ahead and enter the verification code. Then click on submit code. And you'll be asked to enter your new password right here and retype your new password. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my new password. Then re-enter my new password. Then go ahead and click on Save Changes. And you are done. Now you can now log in with your new password change. Then go ahead and click on Sign In. And you will be logging in back to your Amazon account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Amazon topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.